Moving into a flat in Mumbai and stuck on whether to buy a bed or rent one? You have probably also wondered, is it hygienic? Is it actually cheaper? Or what happens if you switch flats again in a year? Here's everything you need to know about bed on rent from Rentomojo in Mumbai in one video. The first and most common question, is renting a bed in Mumbai actually cheaper than buying? In a city like Mumbai, where space is tight and rent itself eats up most of your budget, spending another 15 to 25,000 upfront on a bed doesn't always make sense. With Rentomojo, bed rentals start at just 328 a month. And if you shift flats every year or two, which is extremely common in Mumbai, renting almost always works out lighter on your pocket. In fact, renting a bed in Mumbai up to 33 months will always be a smarter financial decision. Is the rented bed second-hand or unhygienic? This is usually the first concern people have, and it's a fair one. Every bed goes through inspection, refurbishment, cleaning, and sanitization before it reaches you. Anything damaged gets repaired or replaced first. So you're not getting random discarded furniture, and for select products, you can even opt for a brand new unit. What's the minimum rental tenure? Minimum bed rental tenure starts from 3 months. Plans can go up to 36 months, and after that, you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. And if the tenure of your bed rental ends, you get two choices, continue renting monthly or return the bed. If you return it, Rentomojo schedules pickup from your home, inspects the product, and refunds your deposit. There's no complicated exit process, you just raise a request on the app, and Rentomojo schedules pickup. So whether you're in Mumbai short term for work or staying there for 2-3 days, there's always a plan that fits. Is there a security deposit? Yes, there's a security deposit and it's fully refundable. If there's no damage and no pending dues, you get your full deposit back. In rare cases of major damage, any deduction is communicated within 24 hours. If you opt for Mojo Secure, you're covered for accidental damage and wear and tear too, which matters in a city like Mumbai where humidity can be tough on furniture. What if the bed gets damaged or stops working? Rentomojo gives free repairs and maintenance on all our bed rentals in Mumbai. So if something stops working during your subscription, Rentomojo fixes or replaces it at no extra cost. You just have to raise a request on the app and you don't have to worry about calling carpenters or arranging any spare parts yourself. What if you move houses or cities? This is where renting really pays off, especially in Mumbai, where changing flats within the same city or even moving out for a new job is common. If you're relocating within the city or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo helps with relocation of the rented bed. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can also use Mojo Mover. Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates in Mumbai. Can you upgrade the bed later? Yes, you can upgrade your rented bed. After 6 months, you can upgrade to another bed of the same or higher value. So if your current flat in Mumbai is small now, but your next one has more room, you're not stuck with the same size forever. So quickly summing up, bed rentals in Mumbai start at just 328 a month. The rented beds are refurbished and sanitized. Repairs and maintenance on bed rentals in Mumbai are free. Relocation within or outside Mumbai is covered, and your security deposit is fully refundable. For a city like Mumbai where flats change every year or two, that's a lot less hassle than owning furniture you'll just end up selling at a loss. If you're setting up a new home in Mumbai or about to move, check out Rentomojo. Bed rentals starting at just 328 a month.